Today we read 1 Kings 3 through 4, and the highlight for me is that God is the only way. There won't be a path that is better for Solomon, or anyone else for that matter. Would you join me in worship as we sing The Way from Pat Barrett?
Through every battle, through every heartbreak, through every circumstance, I believe that you are my fortress, you are my portion, you are my hiding place. I believe you are the way, the truth, the life. I believe you are the way, the truth, the life. I believe through every blessing, every promise, through every breath I take. I believe that you are provider, you are protector, you are the one I love. Oh, I believe you are the way, the truth, the life. I believe you are the way, the truth, the life. I believe you are. Oh, you are, you are, you are. It's a new horizon, and I'm set on you. And you made me here today with mercies that I knew. Oh, and all my fears and doubts, they can all come true, because they can't stay long when I'm here with you. It's a new horizon, and I'm set on you. Hey, you made me here today with mercies that I knew. Oh, and all my fears and doubts, they can all come true, because they can't stay long when I believe you are the way, the truth, the life. I believe you are the way, the truth, oh, the life. I believe it's a new horizon, and I'm set on you. Hey, you made me here today with mercies that I knew. Oh, and all my fears and doubts, they can all come true, because they can't stay long when I believe you are the way, the truth, the life. I believe you are the way, all the truth, and the life. I believe you are.
The Way isn't Women and Horses, which sounds like a country song to me, and maybe I need to write that one. Funny that we are still acquiring the same things, and God is out there saying, I'm still the way. Yeah, thanks for worshiping with me today. I am Debbie Bird, and I'll see you tomorrow.